very good evening, my friends. How are you? Hope you guys are doing very well, and welcome on this new midweek analysis video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. We are living right now the best days, not only from YouTube analysis signals, but also in our premium Forex signals group as well. As you can see, these are the results from today's signals. Some of the signals have reached take profit number 3. No, this one from yesterday. And some of them reached take profit number 2. As you can see, these are the results in front of you guys. Very tiny small losses such as 5 pips or 17 pips compared to very big chunks of profits. And these are the results of today. And these are yesterday. As you can see, most of the signals have reached the take profit number 2. And yesterday actually was amazing. All of the signals have been in profit. I mean, yesterday was 100% of profits, and again the happy messages from the members are floating, and we don't even have time and space to show all of them. I'm very glad, and I'm very happy, and I'm very excited to see Extreme Trader Forex signals are back on its feet, and again we are striking with a lot of profits, and hopefully we will keep it this way, and really hoping that the upcoming days is gonna bring us lots of pips and lots of profits to our members. So of course, if you wish to join Extreme Trader Forex signals group, please contact our support. You can find their contact details in the description below this video. Contact them today, and hopefully we will see you there. Alright, here we go. So let's check out what happened with the signals that I have sent last Saturday, and let's see if they have actually made the profits. As we can see right here, my friends, EURUSD has been triggered. EURUSD has been triggered, and thankfully the pair right now is running in total of 55 pips of profit, went in total of 71 pips of profit, and I'm very happy for the signal, and I really wish you guys have actually taken this signal and have made a good profit out of it. Now regarding the upcoming signal, actually there is not much to say, because if I'm not mistaken, the EURUSD is gonna still continue the fall, and the target of 1.18570 is gonna be the target. However, what's happening right now is that the EURUSD is actually reversing on that support level on 1.18740, and what's going to happen next is that the pair is going to actually make another pullback and retesting the resistance on 1.19275. So most likely, and on the 4-hour time frame, my friends, this is exactly where we can expect to start again shorting the EURUSD. 1 second. Yeah, okay. So what I was telling you is the EURUSD actually has made right here what seems like a fake breakout, if you want to say it, if you want to call it like that. I mean, we can see that the pair actually has made what seems like a full breakout from 1.19275, and the pair has been ranging exactly on the sell area that I have mentioned, and eventually the pair has actually fallen below that level. Let's go to the daily chart. On the daily chart, we can see it right now better. Right now, this is, my friends, actually a previous resistance exactly right here. Remember, I'm on the daily chart, so we can see that this resistance right here has been breaking out from with this bullish candle. And if we look at the left as well, we can see that right here we're having the very same level as a resistance. Interesting. So most likely right now, after this fake breakout, what seemingly was a breakout, actually most likely the market is right now gonna make another pullback, and this level is gonna be retested again, and I think that we can start again shorting the EURUSD right from that level. So if in case you have guys opened this trade already, you can keep it running, and you can, if you want, open another trade right here. It's really up to you. You are the one who controlling your funds. I cannot tell you anything, but however, I'm telling you that most likely this is what will gonna happen. EURUSD is gonna actually make another reversal, and we can start shorting the pair right from that resistance and maintain the same take profit level. So let me just make it clear that right here we can actually start sell again if you want on 1.19213, and of course let's maintain everything as the same. And regarding the safe zone, if you guys have entered this level, I mean, the safe zone is still gonna be the same. I cannot really change it, because the pair actually might reverse and actually might rise a little bit more, reaching that previous level of the resistance on the original sell level, and then continue the fall. But again, I doubt that this is gonna happen. this level of the resistance right here cannot simply be ignored, and hence we can actually start shorting the pair right away once it actually reaches this level of 1.19213. There goes your signal for the remaining for the rest of this week on EURUSD, and hopefully it will work very well and bring us lots of profits. Pound USD. Pound USD signal has also been triggered. As we can see, the pair has actually reached the take profit, the sell level. And guys, I don't know why I don't see any comments about it. I mean, guys, aren't you taking these signals? Come on, it's really fantastic. Okay, so anyway, EURUSD has actually, Pound USD has went in total of 88 pips of profit, currently running in 57 pips of profits. Now, what's next with the Pound USD? Let me just tell you something. The Pound USD has actually reversed right from that previous resistance level on 1.38278. And as we can see, this previous resistance has right now become a support. But however, the bearish momentum is stronger than the bullish. And most likely, the Pound USD is going to continue the fall all the way to our take profit level. Now, what we can expect next from the Pound USD, that the pair actually might rise again a little bit more, retesting again or revisiting the previous support level on 1.38608, and that level has already right here, my friends, became a resistance number 1. Therefore, we can expect from the Pound USD to continue the rise again for another 17 pips maybe. 16-17 pips before it's going to be valid for the short again, and I believe after that we can actually keep the pair running in profit, hopefully, and eventually hopefully will reach the take profit level. Therefore, Pound USD, let me just replace the again with 2 sell, or you know something, sell 2, number 2 at 1.38608. That's, I think, better. So we have 2 levels to short the Pound USD, and I believe eventually they are still gonna maintain the same momentum and hopefully gonna reach the take profit number 1, the take profit. But however, regarding the safe zone, as I'm telling you, you are entering the other signal under your responsibility, and I cannot say anything more than that because I cannot really expect what will happen next. If the pair is ever going to be able to actually exceed this level of the sell order or the sell level, most likely it's going to revisit again the same level where we have started shorting the pair. But however, I'm just following up with my signals, my friends, so I'm just telling you that again, this is what's gonna happen. Most likely Pound USD is gonna rise right here, completing the pullback before actually continuing the fall to our take profit level. So we can expect to make about approximately 68 pips from this trade. AUDUSD. AUDUSD has also been triggered, or not yet? Yes, it has been triggered. As you can see right here, this candle actually has triggered our trade or our signal, and the pair running currently in almost 90 pips of profit. Fantastic and very beautiful profits. I hope you guys have actually made them. However, now what's going to happen next? Again, very similar to the previous pairs. The AUDUSD is actually facing a support zone right here on 0.75130. So most likely by tonight or tomorrow morning, AUDUSD is going to actually continue or start the pullback. And again, this resistance right here is going to maintain this level as a resistance. And this is exactly where we can again short the AUDUSD. Therefore, exactly right here. Let me just be more accurate. Yes, this is perfect. So we can expect from the pair to rise for another 24 pips before it's going to be valid again for another short order. So therefore, sell number 2 at 0.75377. And again, let's keep the same take profit level and expect about 60 pips profit from the AUDUSD. And I hope you guys will take this signal and hopefully really is going to make for us lots of profits. USDCAD. The USDCAD has went all the way directly to the take profit level without actually triggering our area or triggering our signal, sadly. But however, let me now give you a new signal for the USDCAD. Now, the USDCAD actually might reverse exactly on the take profit level. As we can see right here, my friends, on the 4-hour time frame, we already have right here a resistance number 1, and right here the market is creating resistance number 2. But however, we are having right here what we call inverted head and shoulders. So most likely, let me just make it clear, the pair is gonna complete the form of the of the pattern, and we can expect from the USDCAD to reverse upon the pressure from the resistance on 1.23900 and complete the pullback. And right here, this support level is gonna be respected again and keep the position again as a support. So therefore, we can expect from the USDCAD to fall for another 34 pips before it's gonna be valid for another buy. So we're going to actually buy the pair right here. So let me just change this order to make it a buy at 1.23553. And of course, if the pair is ever going to reverse at that level, we are actually aiming the peak of the resistance right here, exactly right here. So we are aiming approximately 108 pips of profit. Hopefully, really, we will make them. So take profit level 1.24641. And of course, for the safe zone, since we are depending right here, my friends, on this support level, so our safe zone should be ranging inside this support zone right here. Therefore, this is going to be exactly my safe zone, just like this. So most likely the pair might be ranging for about, let me just make it 45 pips as maximum, 48 pips as maximum, before it's actually going to go in our way. But again, I believe most likely with the current momentum, most likely the USDCAD is actually going to reverse exactly right here on the buy level, which I have mentioned, and hopefully going to continue the rise to hit our take profit level. USDJPY is the only signal that I need to change completely right now, because if I'm not mistaken, the market has actually fall. Actually, the USDJPY signal is not working, and we need to change it right away. If I'm not mistaken, what we can see right here right now, that this resistance on 110.714 has been actually respected, and this price action on the 4-hour time frame telling us many times actually that the pair is gonna actually continue the fall. And if you remember, my friends, I have actually talked about this this candle before. This candle, these two candles, once we see them on a resistance level, most likely they mean a continuation, or sorry, they means a bearish reversal gonna start very soon. Therefore, most likely the USDJPY is actually gonna continue the fall just after retesting that resistance level right here on 110.605, and then we can start again shorting the pair. Remember, I'm analyzing on the 1-hour time frame, and we have confirmed that the pair most likely is going to go for the bearish. So therefore, let me now move to the 1-hour time frame, and we can see clearly the resistance which I have just talked about right here. So we can expect from the pair to rise for another 11 pips before it's going to be valid again for another short. So I'm sorry, my friends, regarding the USDJPY signal. Maybe I have made a false analysis, but however, we were expecting from the pair to break out from the resistance, but however, the pair eventually made what seems like a fake breakout. This is the breakout, by the way. This breakout, actually, the signal was running today morning in a good profit of about 23 pips before again falling below that previous resistance level. And as you can see, that resistance has actually kept its position again as a resistance. My analysis was actually based on the successful retest, and the market actually might continue the rise. But however, the retest has failed, and as you can see, the market went right below the level. These things happens, and for that reason, you never put all your money in one trade. As I'm telling you always, Forex is the market of possibilities, and there is always the chance that you can actually lose your funds. So you always have to be extra careful when you are choosing your trades. Don't ever make only one single trade, and you thinking that this is the trade of the trade of the week. I'm not gonna trade anything else. I will put all my money in this trade. No, this is not gonna work, my friends. You always have to prepare for the losses. Sorry, I was talking. And this is, my friends, the safe zone. As you can see, for the USDJPY is gonna be ranging for only 35 pips, no more. and the take profit level, we are actually aiming to make approximately 81 or 82 pips of profit. So therefore, there goes your signal for the USDJPY, and hopefully it will work very well and bring us lots of profits. USDCHF. USDCHF has actually continued the rise without actually touching our buy level. But however, the direction is correct, and I believe the USDCHF is going to continue the rise. Now, after the appearance of this strong bullish breakout candle from this resistance right here, as we can see, my friends, this resistance has right now become here a new support level, and therefore we can expect from the market. Am I talking too much or too fast? Yeah, maybe. I'm just excited. I don't know why. Anyway, as we can see here, my friends, this support level right here on daily chart cannot be ignored right after seeing this reversal happened right here from that previous support level. And therefore, right after seeing the market has actually made it here, what you can see, a pullback. And yes, I know I'm talking too fast today. Most likely the market right now is gonna fall again, retesting that previous support level right here, and that support is actually gonna remain as a support, and therefore we can start again buying the USDCHF right from that level. Now I have moved back to the 4-hour time frame, and I believe we can see it very clear right now that this is the support level I just talked about. And as we can see right here, the market has actually made many attempts on the very same level, then eventually has actually made the breakout. And again, we can expect from the market to fall again, retesting that level of the support. Therefore, I don't want to confuse you guys. Hold on, please. Hold on. I got confused myself. Hold on. Let me just get rid of the old one. Perfect. So this is exactly where we can start again buying the USDCHF. Buy on 0.91861. Perfect. And let me just see what we can do. Actually, regarding the safe zone, it has to be ranging, my friends, below that support level. Remember, I'm on the daily chart, and right now we are depending on that support level, and therefore this support here, this support zone, it has to be my safe zone. So most likely the pair won't be able actually to exceed that level, which means my safe zone will be ranging for about 50 pips, no more, which is really fair, by the way. And just like this, let me just fix this one right here. Perfect. And now regarding the take profit level, now if we see here any bullish breakout happens, that's going to be awesome, because here we're having a resistance trend line, and as you can see, USDCHF is actually gonna be able, in my opinion, to fully break out from that level. And if that happens, oh boy, we're aiming actually a big score. We can expect from the pair to continue the rise all the way to hit the resistance right here on 0.93490, which means we can aim approximately 165 pips. But however, just to be more realistic, I'm going to select the peak of the resistance right here as my take profit level, which means we're aiming 93 pips of profit. And let's see what happens next with the signal, and hopefully it's gonna actually work out very well. 0.92809 is going to be our target, and again, really hopefully this signal is gonna work very well and bring us lots of profits. Let's right now check the gold. By the way, the gold was one perfect signal, and I really have no idea why you guys are not talking about it. It's actually killing me. I mean, come on guys, give me something. The gold has actually been triggered. As you can see right here, I have mentioned that we can start shorting the gold from 1783.76, and the pair has actually precisely reversed right from that level, and it has went all the way to the take profit level, making 322 pips of profit. And I really, guys, you have entered this signal. I really like to see your comments, my guys. It's really motivating me when I have a really nice comments like this, when I'm sending a signal and it works very well. And I really like to see the effort and the effect that it has done actually on the followers, that they have actually made a good profits out of it, and they actually yeah, just that's it. Yeah, got good profit out of it. Anyway, let me just tell you what next we can expect from the gold. Let me just delete the old signal. If I'm not mistaken right here, actually I have drawn here this resistance trend line before recording, and I believe that this resistance trend line has been respected again, and the pair most likely is going to continue the fall again. To be honest with you, this pattern right here is very interesting. This, one second. This pattern right here of the resistance is very interesting, because this is what I'm talking about. When you see a fake breakout like this, most likely the reversal is going to happen right on that resistance level. That what happened exactly. So right now on the daily chart, we have confirmed that the pair most likely is going to continue the fall. Not to mention, of course, when you see a bearish breakout candle that looks like this, usually it indicates a continuation in the fall. Let me tell you something. I need to see example here to show you, my friends. If I'm not mistaken, this candle right here is example. Once you see a bearish breakout candle that actually look like this, with a small tail at the top, and sorry, a small wick at the top and little bit longer tail at the bottom. If this was actually a breakout candle from a previous support level, most likely it means that the pair is going to continue the fall with actually a strong bearish momentum, which means we can now look for another sell order for the gold. And again, we are analyzing this on the daily chart. Let me now move to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we need to find the strongest support and resistance levels after our entry. And if I'm not mistaken, this is, my friends, right here, exactly right here. Let me just be more accurate as much as possible. This is very serious thing. Let me go back to the 1-hour time frame. Exactly. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see, my friends, that this was a previous support level right here on 1723.15. Sorry, 1773.15. This was, my friends, a very strong support level, and the market has actually made a strong break out of it. And right after breaking out from that level, the market has went all the way to the take profit level. And as we can see, the gold is getting again ready for another rally to retest the same level again. This level won't pass away. Not pass away. I mean, this level won't pass easily. And most likely, the gold is going to continue the rise to create another attempt of the resistance, because right here we're having a resistance number 1, and the gold is going to create a resistance number 2. Most likely that the gold is going to actually reverse right from that level, and here exactly where we can start again shorting the gold. So therefore, let me just delete all these, and let me just drag the safe zone just like this, and exactly like that. Perfect. So our safe zone will be ranging inside this resistance zone here, which is really fair enough. And let me write for you the new sell level for the gold. Sell level, which is going to be on 1773.15. Now regarding the take profit, let's go back to the daily chart. Now on the daily chart, if we see the breakout happen right from the support level of 1760, that's going to be awesome, because we are actually expecting from the gold to continue the fall till it reaches that support level on 1733. Let me just zoom out to see it more. Yes, I think this is fantastic, perfect. Let me just make it a little bit higher just to be sure everything is going to be safe. Hopefully, my friends, we will really make good profits out of it. So we are actually aiming right now 360 pips profit. Hopefully, we will make it from the gold. So therefore, the take profit level will be 1736.50. There goes your signal for the remaining days of this week. And again, I really hope it's going to be very, very profitable week, and everyone will enjoy making profits out of it using my YouTube signals and our, of course, premium Forex signals on Telegram. I have to remind everyone that this Friday, we will have the ISM PMI news on the USD dollar. It's going to happen afternoon, I think by 12 a.m. GMT time, or 4 p.m. 12 p.m. GMT time, 4 p.m. Dubai time. So prepare for this news. They actually might change the outcome of these signals. But however, that's going to happen Friday afternoon, like 7 hours before the market closes. So therefore, I don't think it's going to make a huge impact or a huge change on the market. But however, we always still have to prepare for these news. They might actually change the direction in the last moment. We always have to prepare and be ready for these news. Of course, on the premium group, we will send reminders to our members about these news a few minutes before the release of it. So in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.